Dear friends, how are you? Hope all are fine well. This is Malcolm from Mumbai, India. Welcome to my YouTube channel Life Changing Opportunity. Today in this video, I am going to talk about a very strong and bright future company. Friends, it's very important to check the company profile before we joining any of the company and making a decision to start a career with that company. The most important thing that about company to check is 3 P's, that is profile of the company, products of the company, and finally compensation plan of the company, that is income plan. Out of these 3 P's, now I will talk about first P, that is profile of the company. Friends, in this video I would like to show you the best and very strong profile of the company. You may be thinking which company it is, right? The company name is Atomy. Yes, Atomy. You all might be heard about it. Friends, profile consists its founding year and many other things like global presence of the company, global turnover of the company, and in which position the company stands now. Also background of the company, and the important part is the training program, and the most important is leadership. So friends, I would like to talk about the company profile of Atomy. Atomy is a product based distribution company of South Korea, which is founded in 2009 and currently having its almost nearly 18 branches all over the world, and it's a very stable network in all 18 countries, and also plan to launch in 30 plus countries very soon. Friends, if we talk about the background of the company, Atomy works with 2 joint ventures which works under the Ministry of Science and Technology, South Korea, that is KAIRI, Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, for the research and development of products which is to be manufactured, and it's a well-known research center after NASA. The second joint venture is Kolmar, which is said to be a father of nanotechnology, which is working in the field of production and specialized in manufacturing of cosmetics, healthcare, beauty products, etc. etc. Friends, after company founded in 2009, within 10 to 11 years, company's turnover was reached to $1.15 billion, with 20th rank in the list of top 100 global direct selling company. But as per the DSN, Direct Selling News, in 2020, company achieved $1.3 billion, which is approximate rupees 9,750 crores if we calculate in Indian rupees, if we convert to INR, which is a very huge amount, friends. And also with the rank of 11th rank, it means from 20th rank to 11th rank, you can imagine that how fast the company is growing. Directly from 20th rank to 11th rank, you can just imagine. And now it's reached to a revenue of $1.73 billion. So friends, you can see how strong profile and foundation Atomy is having, and a very tremendous sales revenue which leads to exponential growth. Profile also consists of a training program. Friends, I would like to tell all of you that Atomy already conducted 3,816 seminars, and all seminars are undertaken by the company itself, whether it may be one-day seminar, Success Academy, and others, and free of cost for their distributors or members, because company always focus on the distributor member success. If we talk about the leadership of the company, the current chairman, CEO of the company, Mr. Hang Gil Park, who became WFDSA CEO council member in 2019, and he is also current president of Korea DSA. Friends, he is a very strong leader. He is a strong leader, as you can see. So profile wise, Atomy is very strong company. So friends, in next video I will talk about the second P, that is product of the company. So friends, if any of one got any interesting in this video. If you feel any interesting in this video, you can share this video to as many of your friends or relatives or dear ones who are thinking about a strong profile company, who would like to make their career in a strong profile company. So please you can subscribe this channel, and after subscribing you can press the bell icon to get the more notification of the videos. And please share the video to most of the peoples, so they can also join in a very bright future company. So next time I will come up with more videos on company. Till the time, thank you, take care, bye.